Yeah, I happened to meet him, I think in the year 2019. Yeah, 19. And Gabriel came to meet me while I was recording AVM Studio, and he wanted to meet me through someone, through a friend of mine who's Avinash Jani. Was doing his film Soumya Ganesh, and then he met me the next day with the idea of this film. The moment I heard it, I found it a musician's delight, a composer's delight to work on a subject like this. It immediately clicked like, are you trying to say something like it's on the lines of this rock star? You want to, or something like, he said, Dada, no, it's like, so he had this idea of expressing the whole journey, keeping music as the soul of it. So which inspired me.
How was it for you to, work on this music? Like already Gabriel had given you the brief. So how interesting it was.
It was so interesting that I could not think about any other projects in the span of like this 1.5 years or so. It's ultimately reaching on the floors now. It has hit the floor, but it was so interesting. It was so gripping on my mind. The music, so it kept me occupied. And in the meantime, Corona happened. So it's that interesting.
So how do you get inspiration for your songs or the music that you create? Like, do you take references or just the brief and then your talent?
I honestly don't believe in taking references. Then you fail to come up with something original. See, every every thumb is different. Every person is different. Every song, every good song should be original. Then it makes its mark. So that's how. Yeah, it's when you delve into the situation, it comes. It like you get to feel. You get into that feel, the visualization, and that's how music happens. And everyone has their own forte, has their own style of expressing. So that decides how. See, not every composer will create the same music for one situation. Everyone has their own way of expressing. So that's how songs become different. And I think this music, what Gabriel has drawn out from me, I'm very happy about.
So how many songs are going to be there, and how many songs have already been recorded?
See, songs, there are going to be 6 songs. And there are 2 versions of one same melody. Lamha Do Lamha and Mangi Dua. Seema has written amazingly written songs, amazing, and I am really very grateful. And somehow I felt the universe has played a big role in creation of these songs. I have to give credit. We were not having the producer before, but we kept on with our thought process. Our thought process was on, and we kept on creating the songs, and I started composing. The compositions happened, and that's how we made the producer, Mr. Neeraj Sharma, and we had narrated the subject and the songs, and Neeraj ji just fell for it. He felt the intensity of the project, and that's how he gave the nod. And it all happened in like a fortnight's time. He said, let's start, chalo karte hai. Aisa hai. So we actually, the lockdown period, he already started the shoot in some time around this end of 2019, but because of the lockdown things got a little deterred, and now it is happening. The songs, actually we cater around the rock and little bit of psychedelic, and other than that, there's a song called Tan Mera Man Mera. See, it's like every color is there, all genres of music, like almost we are catering.
And who all singers you are approaching for all these songs, if you could name?
See, KK is there, and Shan is there, Sunidhi is there, and and we are yet to do some more songs, which actually Nakash is also there. Nakash I've spoken to, So yeah, it's going to be a good balance of, you know, like all
package.
yeah, good package with a very good balance of melody and lyrics and the story, the screenplay, very intense.
Yeah. So, you know, what do you think, like, once the movie will come out, how people will take it, and like what sort of changes it will bring, what sort of conversation it will start?
See, it is something that is happening. It's very prevalent in the society today. I get to see, and but as I believe, we are not trying to preach. We are giving them the choice what to do.
Yeah.
We will tell what we have to say. Gabriel is saying what he has to say, but it is up to the audience to understand, to choose what is right and what is wrong. It's not, because preaching doesn't work.
Sure.
It's film. It's a film. We are showing the journey. Gabriel is showing the journey of a person who is an addict, and how he goes through his life and what happens at the end should not be revealed. I'm
Yeah.
not revealing, but yes, the impact will be there should be good impact if we everything by God willing, everything goes well. It will definitely have its mark on the audience, because as a musician I can say the music will not fail to, like, if promoted the right way, if everything goes well, as I said, it will not fail to keep a mark on on the person's mind.
Yeah.
And because of many a times it so happens, if your sound, if your casting and everything is right, then people do start thinking, oh wow, what is that, which
Yeah.
movie is that, then that becomes the drawing point to the theaters, you know.
Sure. Yeah.
So that's it.
So, lastly, like, you have seen Gabriel nourishing this idea, you know, he had this vision, like, you have seen the entire journey.
Hmm.
So, what do you want to say about him? Like, what sort of person he is, like, as a filmmaker, as an actor?
He is a very passionate kind of a filmmaker who can put his life on stake to make the film, and that's how he has been doing, and has dragged me all along and inspired me, and ultimately I have like somehow been able to come up with some very good satisfying numbers for me, and I'll be more happy when it gets appreciated by the audience and the world.